Karnataka Chief Minister Basavarajan Bommai on Sunday said investigation is on in a case involving the chief pontiff of a prominent mutt based in Chitradurga, who has been charged under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, and the truth will come out from the probe. He, however, declined to make any other comments regarding the allegations against the pontiff and the case, as a probe is underway. When there is an important case, a case has been booked under POCSO Act, and there is also a kidnapping case in Chitradurga. Police have registered both the cases and investigation is on. In such a situation, making comments or interpreting the case is not good for investigation, Mr. Bommai said in response to a question. Speaking to reporters in Bangalore, he said the police have complete freedom, they will investigate and the truth will come out. The Mysuru City Police have filed an FIR against Shiva Murthy Murgha Sharanaru of Murgha Mutt in Chitradurga under the POCSO Act and certain sections of the Indian Penal Code for alleged sexual abuse of high school girls. The FIR has been registered in total against 5 people, including the warden of the Monasteries Hostel, based on the complaint by an officer of the District Child Protection Unit. The girls are said to have approached Odanari Seva Trust, a non-governmental organization based in Mysuru, and narrated the abuse they had gone through during the counseling, following which it approached the authorities and the case was registered by the police. Reacting to the complaint in Chitradurga, Murgha Mutt Advisory Committee member NB Vishwanathan has said the charges against the pontiff were far from the truth. He has also alleged that the Mutt administrative officer SK Basavaraj and a former MLA was behind the charge. A case of sexual harassment and kidnapping has been registered against Basavaraj and in Chitradurga on a complaint from a woman who is said to be a staff at the Mutt. That's all for now. Keep watching News Site for further updates. Thank you.